Max and Valerio here to talk about HPV.
Also known as human papillomavirus. Let's talk about the history. It was discovered in the 1970s by Harold Zerhausen, a medical doctor. There are about 150 different forms of HPV. 40 of those forms are harmful to the human body.
HPV is very common. About 12,000 people get cervical cancer each year, and about 4,000 are expected to die from that. 20 million people are currently infected with the HPV virus in the United States. About 74% of HPV occurs in the 15 to 24-year-olds.
Let's talk about the structure. The genome of the HPV virus has 8,000 base pairs. The capsid consists of 72 capsomeres. Each capsomere is composed of two viral proteins, L1 and L2. These are major and minor capsid proteins.
For the vaccines, mostly girls get them around the ages of 13 to 16, but now boys can also get it. There are 3 stages or injections of this to complete the whole process, and for treatment, you really can't do anything to treat the HPV virus.
Symptoms, transmission, and who is at risk. If you have any symptoms at all, it would be in the infected areas from intercourse. HPV is transmitted to both men and women through intercourse. In most cases, the immune system is able to fight off the virus. Only a small amount of HPV viruses harm the body.
Now, as you see, this chart shows cancers in both the male and females. The most common is cervical cancer. Obviously, men cannot get this because they do not have ovaries.
How it attacks the body. There are 2 forms in which HPV attacks the body, and it targets the basal cells. Those 2 forms are E6 and E7. E6 targets the host cell's protein and degrades it. E7 binds to the retinoblastoma, inhibiting its function. This causes issues in the cell cycle. They can also cause chromosome destabilization.
And if you want for more information about this HPV virus, visit cdc.gov.